Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have a game changer in the world of beauty, the Milani Baked Blush in Petal Primavera. Trust me when I say, this is the best blush ever. Let's dive right into why this product is a must-have in your makeup collection. Alright, let's talk about what makes this blush stand out from the rest. First off, the pigmentation on this blush is next level. It's richly pigmented and highly buildable, meaning you can achieve the perfect flush of color whether you prefer a subtle hint or a bold statement. With 12 different shades to choose from, there's something for every skin tone and preference. Whether you're into a natural shimmer or a matte finish, the Milani Baked Blush has got you covered. Now, what sets this blush apart is its formula. It's cruelty-free and formulated with the best ingredients to give your face a natural glow. Plus, it's sun-baked on Italian terracotta tiles, which gives it a warm finish and radiance that's truly unparalleled. Application is a breeze with this blush. Simply start at the apple of your cheek and gently swipe up and away for a flawless finish. And the best part? The buildable formula allows you to customize your look from natural to rosy with ease. But wait, there's more. Milani is a brand that's all about inclusivity and self-expression. No matter who you are or where you come from, they've got makeup for every shade, attitude, and ethnicity. Beauty truly is for everyone, and Milani embodies that ethos perfectly. So there you have it, folks. The Milani Baked Blush in Petal Primavera is hands down the best blush ever. With its incredible pigmentation, diverse shade range, and cruelty-free formula, it's a game changer in the world of beauty. Trust me, you need this blush in your life. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews. Until next time, stay fabulous.